Hi, Tom Rolls here with AERO Footage. I want you to get more showings, and I'm serious. The multi-listing service, MLS, has shown that properties that are shown with aerial footage sell up to 68% faster than properties that are shown without aerial footage. Now, a dynamic slideshow is mesmerizing. It holds the viewer's attention. The buyer actually pictures themselves there. So, here's the deal. I'm just getting started. I need more clients. Look, I just sent my daughter off to college with an empty debit card. My wife's bags are packed and by the door and ready to go, and my dog has lost all respect for me. I need business, and I need it now. Now, here's the deal. Normally, my introductory price for my gold photo package is $100, but right now, I will knock off $25 for each referral. You give me one referral, you pay $75. Two referrals is $50. And you give me 3 referrals for AERO Footage, and your price is only $25. That's right, folks, $25. We are licensed and insured. Look, you don't need all this fancy equipment to sell houses, okay? You leave all of your aerial photo and video needs to AERO Footage. We will take care of it. You will get more showings. You will sell houses faster. Listen, to take advantage of this one-time offer, go to aerofootage.com/intro. Now, I don't know how long I can keep this special going, so save this post now so it doesn't get lost. Go to aerofootage.com/intro. I want to get you aerial footage. I want to get you more showings. I want to get you faster sales.
With AERO Footage, a look down from the heavens with Angel View.
Now, let's go sell some houses.